So for making the cold brew, first fill a glass jar with cold water. There should be around 3 to 4 cups. Let's say 3 cups to be very fair. It's a 500 gram jar. I'm using nice Colombian coffee, 100% Colombian. Just drop it in. Mix nicely. Now just tightly cover it and we can leave it in the fridge. I'll be leaving it for 24 hours. Check it, the quality is good, or I'll leave it for another one more day, like 48 hours. Pass it through a fine sieve, and I'm using some filter paper, so we get really nice, clear, very clear coffee brew. If you have a super bag, that means it's a fine mesh of straining bag. If you can use it, it's great. Otherwise, use coffee filter paper as well.